Hello, I'm Naomi. Today, I'm gonna make very seasonal Japanese dish, FUROFUKI Daikon, with Yuzu Citrus flavored miso paste using its juice and zest. Yuzu is a limited time citrus that often is available at the US market only around the holidays. I'll show you how to use each part effectively if you get a whole daikon. So please watch this video till the end. In my channel, you will find a lot of popular Japanese dishes with many realistic hands-on tips and secret recipes that you will not find it anywhere else in every single clip. Please subscribe to the channel before start. You will not be disappointed. So, let's get started. Daikon is widely used in Asian cooking and it's the best season in winter because it's very sweet, moist, and juicy now. It tastes like radishes, but has different flavors depends on its parts. Normally, the top, which is the closest to green leaves, has a sweet flavor and it's suitable to eat raw. The tip has a lightly spicy flavor if you try raw, so good for simmered dishes like soup or oden. When it's simmered, it becomes sweet and mild. The pungency disappears. Cut a disc 1 inch or 2.5 centimeter thick. Peel the daikon thickly because it has thick fiber under its peel. Make scores about a half centimeter or 1/5 inch deep. Pour cold water just reaching the top of the daikon. Simmer until softened. Take them out from the boiled water. Add instant dashi pack. By using instant one, it's easy to make delicious dashi. You can switch to authentic kombu dashi, of course. Please refer to my previous video if you are interested in. Simmer them in dashi broth for another 20 minutes. One tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 1 pinch of kosher salt. After seasoned, simmer for another 20 to 30 minutes. Yuzu is an aromatic Japanese citrus. If you can't find it, mayo lemon is a good substitution for it. Grate the peel. Be careful not to grate white part underneath the skin. Squeeze the juice. Let's make Yuzu Miso paste. Prepare 150 grams of white or sweet miso, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of mirin, then bring to a boil. Heat over medium heat and stir well to dissolve sugar. Continue to stir well even after sugar dissolved. When the miso boiled, turn down to the low heat and continue to stir well because miso is easy to get burnt. Stir well until the texture becomes thick. Finally, add a little bit of yuzu juice and zest. How did you like it? Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye!